Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into your get.io account. It is very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is make sure that get.io is installed on your phone. After making sure that, launch the app. After launching the app, now you will be able to see the button login or sign up. Simply tap on it. After tapping on it, now this page will open, and here write down your email, phone number or username if you remember. Here I'm just going to write down my email that I used in order to sign up for get.io. After writing down your email, now tap on next. After you've done that, now type your password. Now after writing down your password, tap on login button. And now a verification will be required. Simply just follow the instruction in order to verify. And just like this, my verification has been a success. Now a verification code will be sent to my email. Here you can see the notification. And 899047 is my verification code. Now go back to the app and type this code. If you want to enter your Face ID, you can tap on enable. Here I'm not going to use the Face ID, so I'm just going to tap on skip. And like this, you have now successfully been logged into get.io. Very easy and simple, right? If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comment if it was useful to you guys or not. Bye bye.